The reality comes to this is that recipes are getting more complicated. We're not just producing the one-offs anymore. We're not just producing 100 loaves of bread, putting it in an oven, and we're good to go. We have really big bombs. We have big production requirements. We've got a lot of throughput going in at any given time. We have bakeries that are producing thousands of different products in a given day. They have to be able to move and shake and shimmy with the way that things are working inside their organization. And what that means to most people is that if I start running my first product through my production mixers and then my divider and then my production ovens and lines, what I'm doing is I'm getting ready for the rest of the production that's coming through. So I have to make space for the second, the third, the fourth items, but then I've got to stop and do maybe a clean out, an allergen clean out. I want to make sure that all of my allergen requirements are baked together, which then makes me a little bit more efficient in my bakery. So I've got to know these things. I've got to plan for these things ahead of time in order to make sure that I'm being as efficient on the production line as possible.